Hi, and welcome to the Jazz Piano Academy's Piano Blues Workshop. I'm Gary Johnston, founder of Jazz Piano Academy, and I'll be leading you through this exciting beginning into the world of blues and jazz piano. Before we go any further, please pause the video and download the free Piano Blues Resource Kit via the link in the description below. This kit contains all the material you need to get started and to follow along in the video series. While being able to read music is an asset, it's not necessary. All of what we cover can be learned by following along. So let's begin. I'll be combining the 3 T's, that is theory, technique, and tunes throughout the video series so that you'll have a firm grasp of the concepts presented each step of the way. All music is composed of 3 fundamentals, and the blues is no exception. In no particular order, we have form, harmony, and melody. This video will focus on form. Every piece we play has a form, a shape, a beginning, a middle, and an end. And in the case of the blues, there are several common forms, but the one I'll deal with on this video is the 12-bar blues. Referring to your resource kit, there is a sheet with the heading 12-bar blues progression, and on that sheet you see the skeleton of a 12-bar blues. This is the length of one chorus of a blues tune. It's repeated over and over to accommodate different verses and instrumental improvisation. The 12-bar form is not just a blues form, but also the basis of a countless number of jazz and rock tunes, folk and country songs, and it is absolutely fundamental to anyone interested in playing contemporary music. So here it is. I'm going to play a 12-bar blues in C and count the measures as I go, so you'll see how and why it's called 12-bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm ending it there, but it would normally repeat over and over again to accommodate new lyrics or an improvisation or whatever to build the song up to a reasonable length. So, hear how familiar that sounds? Well, most early rock and roll followed that form. It's ingrained in our listening and our musical memory. And have a listen to Hound Dog, Blue Suede Shoes, Round the Clock, Rock Around the Clock, and many more songs of that era to hear what I mean. Here is a demo of the riff blues, which is included in your Piano Blues Resource Kit. And this is just a little riff tune that I devised to demonstrate the 12-bar blues. Here we go. This is just called Riff Blues. 2, 3, 4. So that's a 12-bar riff blues. Please leave any comments below and like the video and subscribe to my channel to learn more about blues piano. My next video will focus on harmony, the chords used in the 12-bar blues. See you then.